waving.
Okay, he might be wild.
It's alright.
Huh?
He won't be too loud, buddy. He's a big one.
Okay. Yeah, he's kind of wild. Might as well sit over here since we got this train. You do like sitting over here, but rather this way. Never a texter.
We'll see how fast he's going. 26.
Is it going 23?
26.
26. Yeah, the train's so loud. We're parked in the perfect spot of this crossing. This is the perfectest spot we've ever seen at this crossing. Yeah, 2 inches up front, so there might be one at the back.
Might be.
This train is just loud. Man, the tanker cars keep making weird noises.
Yeah, it's normal noise for the train. It's probably just the speed that he's going. Check to see if he's going same speed.
Oh, I see another engine, I think.
No, it's not. He's slowing down, now he's doing 23. Bunch of tankers, holy crap. Nothing but tankers.
It's just gonna be another train with tankers because there's nothing gonna be heard about this train. Oh, we got.
He's slowing down some more.
Oh, we got a second train coming.
Oh, what's the blue one down there? Oh, there's another engine.
There's another engine.
What's his number? 7455.
He's an unfamiliar engine.
Okay, you need to hop into the middle.
Oh, that's our, that's our first train.
110.